Google is changing the access to files and folders. If you have the parent folder, any file in the folder is inheriting this access. This is rolling out in 2026. Now it's a period to adjust your workflow. So this is important for everything you do actually in the cloud. The files in the folder cannot have lesser access. And if you restrict access, you have to move the file to a new dedicated folder with that access. Related to that, since we are Meet experts, Google Meet experts here, I'm concerned about the Meet recordings. This is a use case where the event organizer and host of the Google Meets is automatically saving their Meet recordings into this Meet recordings folder in Drive. Now, if they meet different teams, for example, a team for the charity event or for New Year party, and they gave access to their parent folder that is automated, that means that all the attendants will read all the recordings, which is not great. That's why my advice is to use control share settings and don't give access to your Meet recordings folder. Leave it just for you. Control share settings give you the control in the meeting. Share all the artifacts, the Meet recording, the notes only with you. And after the meeting, you can copy the files to the dedicated folders that are topical. So if a CEO is present in all the meetings, that doesn't mean that they will have access to all the artifacts. The access goes with the parent folder. So be it the marketing team goes to the marketing meetings, the legal team goes to the legal meetings. If you go to other meetings, then there are new topical parent folders. That's my tip. So adjust your workflow to the new access controls.